So my latest painting, titled Peace Country Monarch, is now finished, and I wanted to say a thing or two about it before I have to ship it to its final home. Each fall in the Peace Country of northern Alberta, where I live, I turn into a bit of a shutterbug, and I grab my camera and to try to capture as many photos of this brief and glorious time of year. One of the photos I grabbed from one of my photo shoots was of these old granaries, and I just loved the way the light was hitting them at golden hour and the light and shadow that was being created. I figured that this was going to make a perfect backdrop for a future painting. I settled on this big mule deer buck as the main focal point for this painting, as a lot of those buildings that I had taken the photos of always had mule deer kind of milling around there, so I thought that was just the perfect animal to tie into this scene. I positioned the buck in the painting just using a basic rule of thirds, and I thought that was going to give the rest of the composition room to breathe. And as far as figuring out the buck, I like to make use of taxidermy mounts as much as possible. That coupled with my own photo reference, that really helps me to figure things out and sort of jigsaw puzzle things together. So this painting was a really fun journey, and I'm very happy with the way it turned out. The original is sold, and I will have some canvases and prints available on this shortly. So if you're interested in getting any of those, jump on the website there, and should be out in a couple of weeks.